Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to scan documents in low light using Adobe Scan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your Adobe Scan application. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on the camera icon on the of your screen, then select create scan option. Then next is to improve lighting. Even in low light, there are ways to enhance scan quality. Simply turn on your phone's flashlight when capturing the document by simply tapping on the flashlight icon right here, and then use additional light sources like desk lamp, phone light or ambient light, and place the document on a flat and reflective face surface to reduce shadows. The next is to simply tap on the scan button or the camera icon and position your phone directly over the document, and the scan will detect auto edges, and then simply tap the camera button to capture if auto capture struggles in low light. The next is, after capturing, Adobe Scan automatically applies enhancements. You can manually adjust the brightness as well by simply tapping on the adjust option and manually adjust the brightness and contrast as well. And then you can also apply filters by simply tapping on the filters, and if you want the document to be black and white, simply select the black and white filter, and once done, all you gotta do is simply tap on the save PDF as well. You can also crop and rotate the option as well, document as well, and once done, simply tap on save PDF, and that's basically how you can do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.